I'm here in the southwest side of Napa, in which many of our local Napa community call the state streets, as there's a few streets to my north and to the south that have state names. And here we are today at 2770 Indiana Street. My name is Nadia Valenzuela with Corcoran Global Living, and on behalf of myself and my partner Mickey Cardoza, we want to invite you to come take a look at this lovely single-story home that is built in 1956, has vaulted ceilings, newer floors, freshly painted, and a spacious backyard. Thank you so much for joining me here at 2770 Indiana Street. Please follow the details for the property information and then contact us for more details.